So this is low-key one of my favorite features that was introduced in this year's holiday update to Tesla's vehicles, and that is myQ garage door integration. So if you have a myQ garage door opener, you can now control it, open and close it through the screen built into your car. In fact, it takes a lot of the interaction out of the equation, as you can use your car's location to automatically open and close your garage. So what I want to do in today's video is go over how to set up myQ integration and go over some of the features that are now built into Tesla's vehicles. So the setup is super easy. From the menu screen in your car, you'll tap on the garage door icon in the top right corner, then select Link myQ account. From here, you'll need to grab your phone and scan the QR code with your camera to finish the setup on your phone, which makes this really easy. Assuming you already have an account, you'll tap on sign in, and after entering your details, will be prompted with a screen that confirms your account being properly linked. It also allows you to start a 30-day free trial of myQ Connected Garage. Just to be clear, this is a subscription offered by myQ directly. It's not like this money is going to Tesla in any way. So in order to use myQ's premium services, you've got to subscribe to their yearly subscription. Fortunately, it really doesn't cost all that much. The different options that myQ offers are $45 for 1 year, $179 for 5 years, and $299 for 10 years. Remember though, you get an initial free trial of 30 days, so you don't have to make a decision about which subscription length to go with right off of the bat. I find it kind of hard to go with the 10-year option because I've got no idea what car or what garage door opener I'll have for that matter during that duration, but it is nice that you can save a little bit of money for committing for that longer time. Using that QR code to get everything set up makes things really easy. You've just got to log in, choose your subscription option, and then you're set. You can go onto your car and now access the settings for your garage doors. So the first order of business is making sure that your car is near your garage. For me, I parked it outside just in front of the door, so a couple of feet away. With the car knowing its location, you just have to press on Set Garage Location. This allows you to make use of the settings below, like auto open when arriving, auto close when leaving, and auto fold mirrors. Remember what I said? This integration makes it so that you basically don't have to do anything. The garage door will just open up right when you get home and will close right when you leave. In the bottom left corner, you can also set the car to chime when an automatic action is taken, so for both opening and closing. That chime tone is the same sound when you lock and unlock your car from the inside. I think that it would be really cool if they improved the automation here by allowing the car to automatically close the garage behind you when you put your car into park. So right now as it stands, after the garage automatically opens and you pull into your garage, you've actually got to press close on the screen. I know it kind of sounds like a first world problem, but again, if they could kind of allow you to knock out 2 actions with 1 button by putting the car into park and then the garage closing, it could be pretty nice. The same is true, let's say if you were trying to leave, so you jumped in your car, and instead of having to press on the screen to open the garage, you could actually just put your car into drive or reverse and the garage would automatically start opening. This could be problematic if you parked your car just outside of your garage. I mean, imagine pulling up, the garage opens, and once you put into park, the garage door starts closing immediately right away. But this could be a cool setting depending on where you parked your car that you could toggle on and off within the menu. With that said, when jumping in the car, they already made it easy enough by automatically presenting the option to open the door from the top menu. The status of your garage door displays within this drop-down menu, so you can be sure that the communication is working properly. Once open, you can drive out, and if you have the automatic garage door close function selected, it will chime, prompt you at the top of the screen, and automatically shut the door behind you. If you instead want to manually close the garage, you can always do so right from this drop-down menu. That top menu section is nice to have so that you can quickly access your garage information, but just know that that only displays up there on your screen when you're actually near the location that you set for your garage door. So if you're driving around town, if you're at work, or let's say you're at the mall shopping and you're driving your car, you're not always going to see that garage information displayed in the menu bar. It's only when you're near your set garage location. But if you do need to access your garage information or settings from anywhere, you can always go to the menu section, tap on the garage door icon in the top right corner, and access it from there. Now, when you return home, the process is very similar. As you approach your set garage location, the menu icon will appear and alert you that the garage is opening at a certain distance. So this all depends on the distance that you preset the garage to automatically open at within the settings. In my case, I should probably increase the distance so I don't have to wait for the garage to open and it can be fully up by the time that I get to it. Now, I personally park my car in the garage, so like I mentioned, if I could set the garage to automatically close when I put my car into park, it would be one less thing that I had to do, but I've gotten in the habit of just tapping on the screen to close the door and then I hop out and go inside. To walk you through the process of opening your garage one more time, when I hop into my car, I press on open on the screen, the garage door goes up, I pull out, and then the garage door automatically closes in basically the same place every single time and alerts me up there in the top menu section. One more thing I want to mention is that no matter where you are, you can control your garage door, both opening and closing, by pressing on the designated button within the menu. You also get a status update about your garage, so you can double check to make sure it's closed in case you forget whether you closed it or not. You can also control multiple garage doors from the menu on the side, but I only have one garage door here to control because of the way my home is set up. I know that it's kind of absurd to nerd out over something as small as an integration with a garage door opener, but I think it's really awesome to see that Tesla is just ultimately making the experience of driving and living easier, right? They're bringing Apple Music directly to the car. They're bringing myQ directly to the car so that you can almost eliminate the need for any little extra devices like a garage door opener or, say, a phone to play your music. So there's a lot of awesome updates available here in the holiday update with myQ, definitely being one of my favorite. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you in the next one.